Buhari has no direction. Protect yourselves. PDP cautions Nigerians. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) has urged Nigerians to ensure personal safety. It claimed that President Muhammadu Buhari has run out of ideas regarding COVID-19. PDP said as the lockdown is relaxed, Nigerians should protect themselves because Buhari and his government have no plans to rescue them from the jaws of COVID-19. A statement by the PDP's National Publicity Secretary, Kola Olugbodoyan, said Buhari had failed to find direction in the fight against the spread of the virus. PDP charged Nigerians not to resign to fate and jeopardize their lives following President Buhari's failure to find direction in the fight against the spread of COVID-19 in our country despite the huge resources at his disposal. The opposition party also described the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 as incompetent. PDP said Buhari's presidency and its incompetent Presidential Task Force (PTF) on COVID-19 had compounded the situation by crippling the economy, after which they are now leaving Nigerians to their fate without providing any therapeutic or operable containment strategy to stem the rising spread and fatalities of COVID-19 in our country. Our party notes that the inept leadership of Buhari presidency failed to engage our indigenous medical experts and manufacturers for homegrown solution in therapeutic test kits and ventilators, leading to an avoidable spike of the pandemic in our country, the party added. The gradual lockdown in Abuja, Lagos, and Ogun State, as directed by Buhari, is expected to start today, May 4th. So, my people, we all know that the lockdown that has been in place, first it was 2 weeks, and first it was extended again in Ogun State, Lagos State, and the Federal Capital Territory (FCT). It's been eased down, and a certain part of businesses, essential businesses, are going back to normal today. And it was stated by presidency that they will be operating 6 hours of the day. But right now, PDP, the opposition party, have is giving a warning, is for warning Nigerians that they have to protect themselves because Buhari does not have any he does not have any solution for them. He says protect yourselves from COVID-19. Buhari does not have any direction. They stated clearly that Buhari has run out of options. What even options are we talking about? We're gonna go there soon. It also stated that the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 are also incompetent as well. We know the Director General, the head of the Presidential Task Force is Boss Mustafa. He said he's incompetent. I can quite relate to what PDP is stating. If we remember back when the Presidential Task Force, when Boss Mustafa first spoke up, he stated that he's not aware, he's only just finding out that our healthcare system was this bad, was this poor. Quite shocking. I believe Nigerians are surprised as well at that statement. How could he have made that sort of statement? He's not in touch. And if we also check the NCDC as well, and also the health minister, and everything they are doing is just conflicting and mix up. They give figures and data that don't match. Kano State has been the talk of the day because of the large number of the numbers of persons that have died within a short period of time. For a long period of time, there was no NCDC in Kano, and even the health minister, the presidential task force, nobody could attend to that case, attend to that situation to see that whatever prevented that NCDC from functioning properly was looked into and taken care of, and everything comes back to normal. Nobody did that until people started losing their life. Right now, PDP is saying that because they can't even see any tangible thing that President Muhammadu Buhari has done. Now he has gone ahead to ease the lockdown. is they are saying to Nigerians, you have to watch out for yourself. You have to, you're looking, as a matter of fact, you are looking out for yourself, because presidency, they've run out of options. They don't even know what they are doing. They don't have direction, how they are guiding all of this. The lockdown, what was the main reason why they even eased the lockdown? Because they were stating that it will be less cheaper for them, rather than just releasing palliative every now and then to Nigerians. They feel that it will be less cheaper. But to come to think of it, who received those palliatives? Which palliatives are they even talking about? Palliatives that were diverted, that didn't get to the hands of Nigerians? Or is it the ones that were returned? We remember the other day, Rivers State government made a bold statement that they will not take expired rice, that hunger will not kill them, meaning they prefer to stay in hunger than to accept expired rice. And it wasn't just Rivers State, other governors as well made complaints about that expired rice. So that's the palliatives they are talking about. And also, is it the loaf of bread they share to Lagosians, that Lagosians threw back at them? Or is it the 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of beans, Indomie, and all of that? So it's PDP, they are quite disappointed, and I believe Nigerians feel the same way as well, disappointed at presidency, at Muhammadu Buhari, how he has handled this pandemic, because it's really a trying time. But I'm not sure anything has exposed presidency just as the way this COVID-19 has exposed his leadership, his government. This is really a huge exposing of them and all of their deeds. They are not prepared. They are not even on top of their game to see that they are inventing things or bringing new ideas, bringing proposals on how things will begin to fall in place, how they can combat this and all of that. They are not making any move. So PDP is giving a call out, giving forewarning Nigerians. Look out for yourself, Nigerians. Everyone, be on your guard, be on your alert. What you know how to do best, do it. Don't put hope on the federal government, because they don't have any plan for you. They don't have any solution for you. So I really don't understand. But like I said, I don't know if Nigerians feel the same way, that presidency and the government have let them down, have really disappointed them in this trying time, in this time. And the sad part is, even all this lockdown, you can imagine the number of lives that this lockdown has taken, not as a result of COVID. We're not even talking about COVID now. The law enforcement people, the police and the soldiers that they sent to impose lockdown in different states, loss of lives here and there, it's not been managed properly. All of this stems down from presidency. It all comes from presidency. It's whatever is happening there in the villa. That's what we see on in our cities, in our various communities, and in our various localities. So it's quite a shame that presidency have not really done much. Even the presidential task force, PDP alleges, claims here that they are all incompetent. Buhari is incompetent. Presidency, the presidential task force, Boss Mustafa, all of them, who are all the people in presidency? We're talking about the Osaige Ahenare, because Minister of Health. This pandemic is health-related issue. It's a health-related issue. They are the ones who have failed Nigerians and everything that is going on. So, my people, I do want us to please do leave your take. Leave your comments and down below in the comment section, and let us know what you think and what you feel. Even the doctors, they have not, we can hear of cases where doctors have cried out that they don't even have personal protective equipment enough to work. They're afraid of their own lives. What are we talking about in our country? Even though the frontline workers are not being taken care of, they are not being put into consideration to see how to really protect them and encourage them and even motivate them more to do what they are doing. So that's the news from us today. People, please leave your take, leave your comment. I want to say thank you to everyone that have subscribed. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed, do click on the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to also click on the notification bell, as it enables you to get updates of all of our latest news as they come in. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up as well. Do hit on the like button just to let us know you do appreciate what we're doing here. So till I come your way again, it's bye for now, and God bless.